This is the second update to my Blender arcade game, and I'm at the menu, so I'm just going to click play. You can press M to toggle the music, so I'm going to turn that off. And this is a power up I've added. It is rapid fire, so that's pretty cool. This right here is the turret I've added. It's pretty awesome. Die, zombies! Die! Okay. The zombies stopped spawning because this is the 1 minute break between each round. So I'm going to take this opportunity to show you this. This is a feature where you can add barricades anywhere you want to hold back the zombies for a while. So you can take advantage of these breaks to do stuff like this. So, and this green bar over here to the right, this is your progress meter. And every time you kill a zombie, it grows a little bit. And once you reach 400 zombies, you progress to the next level. Once you kill 400 zombies. So. Stupid barrel. Okay, I think this is the second wave. Yeah, this is the second wave, and here's another power up. It's a speed power up. Woohoo! I'm all fast and stuff. Okay, eventually these barriers will start to break down. See? So they only hold off the zombies for a short amount of time, but they definitely. And that pretty much wraps it up for this update. So I'm gonna go commit suicide. See you guys later. No.